Welcome back, guys, and in this video we'll learn about the polymorphic one-to-many kind of relationship. We have learned a lot of type of relationship like one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many. So now let's learn about one-to-many polymorphic type of relationship. This relationship is not so hard, but it's a bit tricky, and we frequently do not use this type of relationship on project. Sometimes we might have to use this type of relationship, and so it will be useful if we learn now. But in our project, which is making a job portal, we are not using this type of relationship because we don't have any use of this relationship. So let me explain you what exactly is the polymorphic type of relationship, especially one-to-many. Suppose let's say that I have a post. Okay, I have a post, and if I need to store the comments, then definitely I'll make a comment, right? I'll make a comment table, and my comment table will have ID. It might have a user ID who have commented this post, and it might have the post ID. That means in which post I have commented, and so on, right? And these are the basic things I should have. And again, let's say I have, similar to this post, I have, let's say, a video. Okay, and video also contain comment. That means I have to make another comment table, right, in order to store the comment that belongs to video. So what might I do is I might make this as a comment one, and for the to store the comment of video I might have to make like comment two, and this comment two will store the comment that are related to only the video. So it will have like ID, user ID, and video ID. That means it tracks on which video we are going to store the comment, or we store the comment. So for the post table, we'll have separate table to store the comment, and for the video table, we have a separate table to store the comment, right? But Laravel gave a very easy and convenient way to manage these things. So instead of making two tables for storing the comment that belongs to different, you can simply make one comment table and store both things together. So how? So let's see here in an example. Suppose here, if we have the post, and if it may have like attribute like ID, title, and body, and if you have the videos, it may have like ID, title, and so many things. Now here is the important thing. We have single comment tables that is to the comment related to videos, and that is the comment related to post as well. So here you can see here, so this comment table should have ID, which is auto increment ID. The body means the comment that may be the body related to video, that may be related to post. So how we distinguish that? We distinguish through the comment table type. So if the comment, this body, belongs to video, then it will stores app/video. That means this comment belongs to video, and if the comment belongs to post, then it is to like app/post in the commentable type. And this is the ID in which ID where we left or user left the comment. So let's make this structure so that we will understand more. So here I am in my terminal, and let me make three model first and three migration files. So I'll make the post first, PHP artisan make model post p capital minus m. Okay, that means I'm going to make migration as well. So it will make a post table and as well as the migration. So I have, you can see here I got a post table and post model and the migration. Now let me make another table as well similar to that. So here I want to make another, that is the video. So video, and here in the terminal, you can see here in the app directory, you can see here video, and you can see here the post as well. Now we need one more thing, that is the comment. So let's make the comment as well, and here I'll make comment, COMME, anti-comment, and this is the only one table that is going to store the comment that is related to post as well as comment that is related to the videos. Okay, now here in the migration, let's open this migration, and here we have the three migration. So in the post, let's say I have a string and I want to store some comment. So I have some, let's say I have some body. Okay, so let's say body, and Similarly, let me copy this. In videos I have also body, and now we have to make for the comments table. So what we will have in the comments table, you can see here should have the body, we should have a commentable type which is integer, and sorry, commentable id which is integer, and commentable type which is a string. So first let's make the body because we have already have id. So here is string and this is the body, and then we'll have again another, this should be the integer, integer integer, and this is the commentable id. So copy this commentable id here, and let me copy one more this, and this final one should be the commentable type. Okay, it is store the model, so it should be commentable underscore type, and the type should be the string. So we have a string and it should be the commentable type. Okay, this much. So let me take this little bit up. Now what we have to do is, now we just migrate this, okay, in our database. So let's migrate this. So instead of writing php artisan migrate, what I need to do is I'll refresh all the database and then I'll migrate. Okay, so php artisan migrate, mig or php migrate, migrate is to fresh. So it remove all the table in the database and once re-migrate it again. Okay, this command. Or you can also do php artisan migrate. Okay, so now I'll have these tables, three tables along with the previous tables. So I have the videos with the body, and I should have the similarly post, and I have now comments here. You can see the comments. We have the body, commentable id, commentable type. So first what we do is that we should have something in the videos and in the post. So let me go here and I'll make a new video here, and I'll make here as an old video. Okay, so let me keep some data here. So now I have a let's say two videos, or let's say two posts. One is a new video, one is an old video, and similarly in the post table also I should have some data. Okay, so I'll have here two. So let's say it is a new post, and let's make it as an old post. At least I should have something here. Okay, so save this, and we have now some data in our post table and videos table. Now let's go and save the comment for this particular videos and the post. Okay, so now here I'll be using the web.blade.php, and let me make here closure. So I'll use the post as, let me make it post as function, and open close this. So first of all, what I should have, first of all, obviously I need to import the namespace here. So use app/video, similarly use app/post. Okay, just save it, save this. Now again let's go to the documentation. So what do we have to do in order to save? So first of all, what we do, first of all we have to go here in the model, 3 model, and we have to include the relationship. So here you can see in the post table and in the video model, post model and video model should have the morph many relationship. Okay, and it should use the comment as a namespace here, and comment as a, and here is the table, comment table. Okay, comment table, it should have a comment table. So similarly to that, in a comment it should have morph to. So in a comment it should have the morph to. So copy this exactly. Let me copy this, copy it, and go to your comment model. Here is the comment model and paste it here. Okay, and after that in the post you should have the comments as a name, and you should have morph many for the comment in the post. So here is the post, and after that in the video you should have this morph many. So let's go in the video. Here the video. Okay, after this, in the comment we have to make the field label because we are going to insert the data here. So I'll make here field label protected field label. So what should be the field label? The field label should be the body. Okay, and we have the comment table ID and the comment table type. You can see here, let's copy the name. Okay, comment table ID and the comment table type. We have the comment table type as well. So copy this comment table type. So we are going to store these things. So after this, let's go here in the web.php and let's write a logic in order to store the data. So first, let me write a post variable post, and then I'll use the I have the post, right? Post model, and let me grab one post. Okay, post with the ID 1. So if you go in the database here in the post, I'm getting this. Okay, so first of all, let's dump die and check it whether everything is working properly or not. So post and refresh this. Let's go here and let's do localhost last post. So we have to run this serve, and my route is the post. Okay, it's okay. Now after some time it starts, so let's refresh this again. Let's try this again once more. Now you can see I got all the things related to that ID. Okay, so that means for ID 1. Now in order to store that, you have to use a namespace for the. I need to instantiate the comment. So I'll use the comment, new comment. So I need to use the here import that comment, comment comment. Now in order to save, if you have to use the save method. Okay, so here I'm going to store the comment save comment, and then I have the relationship comments, and then save method, and what we're going to store, we're going to store the comment. Okay, comment. So I'll show you this how, because it's actually according to documentation. So if you go here, so let me go here. If you go here and if you want to learn how to say polymorphic relationship, it's here. So what you have to do is that first you have to instantiate a comment. Okay, and its body contain a comment, and then you have to find that ID, and then you have to attach that ID with in the ID and store in the comments table. Okay, so it says that post, and this is the relationship name, and you have to use the save method, and inside the save, what you are going to save, you are going to save the comment, right, which is our new comment. So inside the save, what we're going to save is we're going to save the comment. Okay, so here we should have the comment. Now here we'll have the comment, and we have the body in database. So let's say this is a comment, comment. So I'm going to post, not a comment. So what we have done is we find the post and we still set the comment because we're going to store here, and in the body we're going to store this is the comment, and we use this post and the comments the relationship and save method, and we're storing this comment body. Okay, so let's see here. So let's refresh this. So it's clear, that means I have not got any error and I should have data here. So let's go and check in my comments table. Now here it goes. Now here you can see here, this is the body, this is the comment, and the comment table ID is 1. That means the ID here is 1. And similarly you can see the comment belongs to post because we instantiate a post. We found the data particular post from the post model. So commentable type is post, not a video here. Okay, so similarly, let's do another, let's say make 2, and let's refresh this once more, and let's check here. Now here you can get a comment. This is the comment, and this time the commentable ID is 2 and the comment again belongs to the post. Okay, now let's do video. Okay, let's do the video, and this is all. This comment is for video. So let's save this and let's refresh this. Let's refresh this. Sorry, video is mistake. video video, and now let's refresh. Okay, everything fine. And here you can see here, this is the new comment for video, and this commentable type is app/video, and the ID is 2. So ID is here too, and type is app/video. So in this way we can use the polymorphic relationship. So I hope you guys learn about the polymorphic relationship in this video, and you really like this video as well. So this much for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.